Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this Homeopathic Materia Medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Cannabis sativa. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Cannabis sativa, its uses and symptoms. The resemblance of this remedy to Cannabis indica is remarkable and has led to a belief that they are identical. The one has often been substituted for the other, and has cured symptoms produced by the other. Their mental and urinary symptoms are very similar. The sensation of opening and shutting has been cured by both remedies. Things seem strange and unreal. He seems as though in a dream. Confusion as to his personal identity. Makes mistakes in writing and speaking, and misunderstands what he reads and hears said. Sounds in the room seem to come from a distance. When he speaks, it seems as though someone else was speaking. Alum. Seems as though her senses would vanish. Despondent in forenoon, lively in the afternoon. Fear of going to bed. Hysterical feeling in the throat. Anxiety in the stomach. Confusion of mind and vertigo. Rush of blood to the head, as though it came from the stomach. Opening and shutting of the vortex. Begins on waking, lasts all day. And is worse from noise. Sensation of drops of cold water on scalp. Formication. Inflammation of the conjunctiva and varicose veins. Sensation of sand in the eyes. Noises in the ears. Sensation of enlargement of the nose. Epistaxis. Pressure on the root of the nose. Dryness in the nose. One cheek red, the other pale. Nasty taste. Difficult speech. Dry mouth and throat. Aversion to meat. Eructations, bitter, sour, empty. Inflammation of the kidneys. Ulcerative pains in the kidneys. Edema of the prepuce with gonorrhea. Thick yellow gonorrheal discharge. Burning in the urethra during and after urination. Stitching in the urethra while the urine flows. Urethra sensitive, swollen. Core D. Burning at starting and closing of urination. Stitching in urethra when not urinating. Most difficult and painful urination. Pain that extends from meatus back along the urethra while urine flows. Pressing out feeling at the orifice of the urethra after urination in a woman. Violent urging to urinate. Constant or frequent urging to urinate. Involuntary urination. Violent pain at the close of urination. Bloody urine. Spasmodic closure of the neck of the bladder at the close of urination. Inflammation of the urethra. Inflammation and much swelling of the orifice of the urethra with burning pain during urination in the female. Intense sexual excitement in both sexes. Much dropsical swelling of the prepuce. To the female it has a reputation for sterility. Menses profuse. Leukorrhea in little girls, sepia. Gonorrhea. Uterine hemorrhage after labor. Threatened abortion. Catarrh of the chest. Bronchitis with wheezing. Asthma, must have window open. Green viscid expectoration. Salty sputum. Cough, with blood spitting. Stitching pains in the pleura. Asthma with bladder troubles. Palpitation. Pressure is with a sharp point in the coccyx. Drawing pains in tendoaquilus. Stitching in the skin all over while perspiring. Numbness of fingertips. Seems to affect especially the urinary, sexual, and respiratory organs. It has characteristic sensations as of dropping water. Great fatigue, as from overexertion, weary after meals. Choking in swallowing, things go down the wrong way. Stuttering. Confusion of thought and speech. Wavering speech. Wavering speech, hasty, incoherent. Head, leptophobia. Vertigo, sensation of dropping water on head. Pressure on root of nose. Eyes, opacity of cornea. Cataract from nervous disturbances, abuse of alcohol and tobacco, patient feels deeply approaching blindness. Misty sight. Pressure from back of eyes, forward. Gonorrheal ophthalmia. Eyeballs ache. Scrofulous eye troubles, self, calc. Urine, retained, with obstinate constipation. Painful urging. Micturition in split stream. Stitches in urethra. Inflamed sensation, with soreness to touch. Burning while urinating, extending to bladder. Urine scalding, with spasmodic closure of sphincter. Gonorrhea, acute stage, urethra very sensitive. Walks with legs apart. Dragging in testicles. Zigzag pain along urethra. Sexual overexcitement. Urethral caruncle, eucalypt, phimosis. Stoppage of urethra by mucus and pus. Female, amenorrhea when physical powers have been overtaxed, also with constipation. Respiratory, oppression of breathing and palpitation, must stand up. Weight on chest, rattling, wheezing, breathing. Cough, with green viscid, also bloody, expectoration. Heart, sensation as if drops were falling from the heart. Painful strokes and tension with palpitation. Pericarditis. Sleep, frightful dreams. More tired in morning. Sleepy during day. Extremities, contraction of fingers after a sprain. Dislocation of patella on going upstairs. Feet feel heavy on going upstairs. Paralytic tearing pains. Affections of the ball of the foot and under part of toes. Modalities, worse, lying down, going upstairs. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Cannabis Sativa, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia Medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and maishclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.